I'm very excited to announce that the Odlums Big Book of Baking is finally here. I couldn't be more proud to be part of this and have some of my recipes in this book. And I'm absolutely honoured to be part of the whole process as well. 100% of the proceeds of this book go to a wonderful cause for the Jack and Jill Children's Foundation. And we are making today the Jack and Jill rainbow cake from the cover, which I think is lovely, and you've got the lovely jelly bean decorations all around the outside too. So let's get straight into the recipe. So firstly, we're going to start in the bowl with 300 grams of golden castor sugar. And next we have 300 grams of softened butter. Now, so we're just going to beat this until it becomes nice and pale and fluffy. So we have 300 grams of the new Odlums self-raising super flour. So next we have the 6 eggs in on top of it, and 1.5 teaspoons of the Odlums baking powder. Now, so we're just going to beat everything in until it becomes a nice smooth batter. And finally, just a little drop of milk to loosen it. Now, so we just divide this mixture evenly between 3 bowls. So next we're going to add the Goodall's food colour into each. So we have the yellow, blue and red. Just go into some greased lime tins. Now, so these go into the oven at 160 degrees and bake for 25 to 35 minutes. For the frosting, we've got 375 grams of softened butter, and to that we're going to add some of the Goodall's vanilla. So we're just going to beat this until it becomes nice and smooth. 500 grams of icing sugar, so we're just going to add it in slowly. Yeah, so we're just going to spread on each layer a little bit of that frosting. On with the next layer, and same on the next one. And then the final layer on top. And then we just ice the whole cake, and all around the sides as well. Now it's just all about sticking on those jelly beans. Pipe all around some of that buttercream as well. And there you have it, a delicious rainbow cake with the Big Book of Baking from Odlums.